Hi, I'm Sherry. Ah! And welcome to the Eyes Heaven. I decided to change the location of the BarkBox. I'm not hurting her. She's just excited. Get up here so that you can see her, but I couldn't get my light plugged in where we are. Get up here. Get up here. No. Get up here. All right. Make your own masterpiece. Is the theme. Oh, she's gonna love this. Oh, Mr. Squirrel. All right. Let me see if he has a squeaky. Hey. There he is. Oh my Lord. All right. I'm almost out of treats from last month, so I'm glad to be getting new treats. Sorry, I am a mess. Soft and chewy, the Great Wave fish recipe with cheese and turmeric. One treat. Come get your treaty. And they are turmeric looking. Oh, I'm sorry, it's so dark. Let me see if I can move this lamp over. That's about as far as the cord will go. Let me try over this way a little bit. Oh, sorry, it's even worse. I need light coming from the front of me, but I can't. I don't have a plug right here that I can plug I've got my gooseneck right there, but it can't reach a plug. All right, sit. Come up here. Sit. Okay. They're little hearts, and they're soft, so I was able to break them down for her, but she is missing a big molar. Good girl. In the back. And, all right, let's see what our other toy is. Just a minute. Let me take the tag off. Okay. Oh, that's cute. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to... Oh, it's supposed to be a tube of paint. Okay. A tube of blue acrylic paint. Oh, my Lord. All right, and the next treat is Masterpiece Morsels. Lamb and fruit. Oh, nice. Masterpiece Morsels. Up here. You have to come up here. All right, no, you have to come up here and sit. All right. Oh, wow, these are big. Sit. These are big. They'll definitely have to be broken down for her. Okay, up here, please. Up here, crazy dog. Sit. I think, oh yeah, they're nice and soft too. There you go. Yeah. Can you shake Mama hand? Shake Mama hand. Thank you. She's such a piglet. All right. And the only thing left is a Superior Farms. What is it? It's some sort of, there's always a chew in here. I'm trying to decide. Oh, it's pretty hard. It doesn't look like one of the splintery ones. It kind of looks like a stick, like a branch of a tree. But I can't tell just from it being in the package what, like, meat it's made from, or caution, natural bones maybe in it. Yeah, so she's probably not getting it. They always put some sort of chew in, and they're always writing me and asking me, you know, what can we do better? And I tell them, you know, please try to do some better chews, because a lot of the chews they put in here I won't give her. They're just too dangerous for her. Alright, so the Academy of Fine Arts. So, and there's one of the other toys. It's like an artist palette that's squeaky, and we got these two. Okay, and let's take a look at the paper today. Very nice. It's pretty on this side, and then it's a Museum of Fine Arts on this side. Yeah. And what do we have for our box cartoon today? Is another more toilet humor. It's a dog standing in front of the toilet. I don't know if you can see it. And it says, the best part is the free refills. Oh, I know you like it, huh? You like it? Well, come here and show the peoples. Missy, come here. Bring your toy. Bring your toy. Come on. Bring it. I want to get it. Come on. She gets very, very, very possessive of toys when they're brand new. So I'm guessing she's not going to bring it back over here so we can see. Sorry about the lighting problem. I hope you can still see a little bit. It's better that you not see me because I'm a mess. But I'm going to be showering in a bit and going out to dinner and theater, well, live concert tonight. It's a Tony Bennett impersonator. And my friend wanted to go, so I said, okay, I'll go. All right, I guess that's it for right now. And take care. Be well. And always be yourself. And have a wonderful weekend. Happy St. Patty's Day. The dancing of the jig. The dancing of the jig. She just put her toy down and she's looking at me like, Ma? Bye.